All right, welcome back, COSA 25 folks. Professor Almeida here. Happy Thursday, everyone. Hope you've had a chance to get out and get some sun, especially on this particularly warm day, at least around my parts. And before we get into week 5 with forms and reports, let's first talk about chapters 2 and 3 concerning tables in design view and queries. Don't leave points on the table going into the weekend. Your assignments for chapters 2 and 3 are due on Sunday the 22nd. Sim books have to be turned in on time. Okay, you cannot go back for late credit. So let's make sure that we get those completed. Now, I've received at least one report with a particular issue in 2-4. So this is in chapter 2 and it's on the lookup wizard. Sometimes with these training sims, it could be an issue with your web browser. And in this instance, when I took a look at it, I was able to solve it by switching web browsers. And you might have to do that. So for example, if you're in Chrome, maybe try switching to Firefox and see if that takes care of the situation. I'm not a tech support person, but you can reach out to the Student Technology Help Desk. And also new for this semester, we now have a link to COS tech support. You'll find it here in Canvas, and this is where you can connect directly with our instructional assistants and schedule Zoom meetings with them. Now, keep in mind, they are not personal tutors, nor will they quote-unquote grade your assignments for you, but you can reach out to them if you are having trouble with the assignments in this class. So do take advantage of that resource. So again, chapters 2 and 3 due on Sunday. Now let's get into week 5 and chapter 4. So starting on Monday, week 5 will open up and we will cover forms and reports. Now you've learned how to create tables in Datasheet and Design View. You've learned to create different types of queries. And here we're going to finish out on our 4 objects, this time with forms and reports. You'll learn how to create different forms, and then same thing with reports based on tables or queries. And again, you'll have the training sim to guide you here. We have 23 tasks for chapter 4, so make sure to go through and complete the tasks. Remember, you're only responsible for these here. Okay, so wherever you see like 0 out of 7 or 0 out of 3, you're only responsible for those. Okay, you can skip over the links where it says none. But as before, your goal is to get to 100% here. It should be an easy 100% every time. So make sure to complete those sim books, folks. And then you have your guided and independent projects. There are no more walkthrough videos. Hopefully by now you know how all of this works. Take the hints given to you in the guided project so that you can use them for your independent project. If you manage to finish week 5, week 6 will be open for you. Again, same formula as before. And with that said, let's have a good weekend out there. Take care of yourselves and make sure to stay on top of the class, folks. I know it's real easy to fall behind in an online environment like this. After Sunday, I will be sending out starfish reports, either in the form of a kudos if you're at least 70% and meeting course expectations, or a flag if you're missing assignments, or an academic progress concern if you have a history of missing assignments. I know that I've reached out to a few of you individually, so let's make sure that we are staying on top of things. Anyway, take care of yourselves out there, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks for watching.